Babies are born with a set of reflexes called infant or primitive reflexes. These help babies with the birth process and aid in survival. They also help babies to develop more advanced skills that they'll use for the rest of their life. These reflexes should begin to disappear during the first year, and they are eventually replaced with adult reflexes and more advanced neurological systems. This process of maturation provides babies with a stable, solid foundation on which the rest of their brain is built. But there are a lot of things that can happen during pregnancy, during the birth process, and during early infancy that disrupt this process of normal development. In these cases, children will keep their primitive reflexes. And you see all sorts of problems with the way the rest of their brain develops and functions. The cool thing about primitive reflexes is that they give us a very reliable signpost of development. When you have an older child who still has their primitive reflexes, it is a clinically significant indicator that their nervous system is stuck in an immature stage of function and that this problem likely started sometime before their first birthday. It also gives us a good baseline for where to start helping the brain begin to mature and catch up. The brain develops from the bottom up with early stages and early sections, providing the foundation for higher, more advanced sections. When we are going back therapeutically, we follow those same principles. My philosophy is to always work from the bottom up and follow the normal process of development. This enables us to actually change the way the brain functions rather than just focusing on managing symptoms.